Hey guys, I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be reviewing some fireworks my dad found at a fireworks store. We're going to review them and light them off. Before that, this is a disclaimer. So if you're not an adult, don't light these off without someone helping you. And of course my dad's behind the camera, so he's going to be helping me. There he is right there. So just make sure you have someone watching you. Unless you're an adult, then you'll be fine. Alright, let's get to it. So what we're going to be lighting off are zippers. They spin upwards and emit showers of sparks. Next we have little monsters. They're basically fountains that will just show colors of sparks. And then lastly, we have Sidewalk Speeders. They're basically cars that roll on the ground and then just explode little flares, basically. Let's go. So before we light it off, I am using a punk so I don't get close to the fuse, and always make sure that you read the instructions how to light it safely. Here goes the zipper. I did not expect that to go that far. That was amazing.
Wanna try one more?
Yeah.
Alright, go get one more. Wow. And it's gone.
Woo! That was fun.
So what are we doing next?
The little monster fountains.
A little smoky.
That was a good one. That was actually a good one. That lasted for a very long time. I'm impressed by it.
What's next?
So last but not least, we're going to have those little sideways speed racers. I'm going to light up 2 of them just to see if they're anything different from the actual 4 that it comes with. So the ones we'll be lighting is the fire truck and the biker. Let's get to it.
I think the wheels weren't balanced properly and didn't roll, so we're going to try the biker next. I think we'll have better luck with that.
That was good. Way better than the fire truck. So as you saw, they had different effects. And the reason why the fire truck didn't roll is because I don't think the wheels were firm, like planted correctly on the ground. But otherwise, they give a good performance. Make sure you're always safe with fireworks. They can hurt you a lot. But anyways, comment down below what your favorite one was. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. And subscribe for more videos like this. And hit the bell so you get all of my notifications for my videos. Anyways, see you next video. Goodbye!